Drawing a square. To draw a square, the script will be as follows. Step 1. Drag the When green flag clicked block from Events block menu. Step 2. Drag the Clear block from Pen block menu. This will clear any previously drawn image if any. Step 3. Drag the Pen Down block and set pen color to red block from Pen blocks menu. Step 4. Now drag the Move 10 steps block and turn clockwise 15 degrees block from Motion blocks menu. Change the values to 100 and 90 respectively. This becomes Move 100 steps and turn 90 degrees. Step 5. Now drag the Wait 1 seconds block from Control block menu. This will let the program wait for 1 second before going to the next statement. Step 6. Repeat step 4 and 5 3 more times. Drawing a square using repeat. In the previous example, a square was drawn by using pen, move, and turn blocks. In order to avoid repetition of commands, repeat command is used. This command reduces the number of lines of commands you need to write to draw a figure. The repeat block in the Control blocks menu is used to do this task. You can drag the blocks and keep inside the repeat block. Let's draw a square using the repeat block. Step 1. Drag the Repeat 10 block from Control blocks menu. Step 2. Drag the Move 10 steps block, turn clockwise 15 degrees block, and Wait 1 seconds block one by one and attach inside the repeat block. Change the values. The script will be like this now.